Okay, here we are. This is with Cadence, and she's sort of looking at the camera, but sort of not. Say something.
She's turning away.
Hey, say something over here. Yeah. Say something over here. Yeah, what is that? What's the hand, Cadence? Is that the? Give me the. Show me the hand. No, no, Daddy, don't take my picture. Come on now, come on. Hey. Hi, sugar bears. Hi. How you doing? You're doing so good. You're such a good girl.
How old is Cadence now?
Cadence is 3 weeks, I think.
Yep.
Today is November 6th. Is that right?
3 weeks.
You don't know if it's right, do you? Oh! 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 Oh, bless you. Bless you. I got some sneezes.
I've been dying to get those.
Those were full-on sneezes. Oh, look at the little smile, too. That's good. Okay, let's say goodbye to everybody. Night-night. Goodbye to everybody. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
We'll see ya. That little smile.
Her sneeze is just going.
Bye-bye.